Welcome back to the Loan Arranger Show with Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. Thanks for tuning in today. Appreciate it. If you have questions for the Loan Arranger, call me now at 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 or visit my website at webringyouhome.com. You will always get personalized service here. You will get a phone call from yours truly. You're going to get a call from my team. They're going to help get your docs together. We close fast. We give people the best rate. You know, CrossCountry Mortgage, #1 retail lender in the country. Our buying power is outstanding. You want to compare me with your credit union, your bank, your Rocket Mortgage, anybody else, your local mortgage broker? Come on, give your head a shake. Your Loan Arranger's right here. I'm in your backyard. Look at my Google reviews. I'm telling you, I run a tight ship around here, and my reviews are stellar because I truly do care. I don't talk a big story. You know, we used to say big hat, no cattle. Listen, you can have a big hat, but you better have the cattle to back it up. So you get what you need when you come to the Loan Arranger, plus a whole lot more, including my real estate referral program, my lowest possible interest rate, my VIP rate watch list for folks that I'm telling not to refinance right now. Who the heck does that? What type of business person in the mortgage business tells people not to get a mortgage right now to wait? The Loan Arranger does. Why? Because he's telling you the right thing to do. I'm not telling you don't get a mortgage. I'm just telling you, if you're trying to drop your PMI or lower your interest rate and you're not north of 7.25% currently, hold off. I know your mortgage company's trying to get you to do it right now. I know the interwebs trying to get you to do it. I know you're getting phone solicitations trying to get you to do it. Don't get sucked into it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. You come see the Loan Arranger. I'll make sure that you always get the right information and you get information that's suited for you, not for your bank. How do you like that? 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 or go to webringyouhome.com. All right. I want to talk a little bit more about some self-employed folks, but before we do that, I want to talk about a great program that will not last. So on Monday, Hometown Heroes opened up. This is a down payment assistance program. It's for first-time home buyers. What's a first-time home buyer? Somebody that has not owned a home in the last 36 months as a primary residence. You have to make less than $144,000 a year income to qualify in most counties, and you have to have at least a 640 credit score. Come on, these are minimum standards, folks. Do you need some money? Is the only thing holding you back is a little down payment assistance? Do you have a grandchild, adult grandchild, or adult children that are renting, or they're renting, or they're living in your spare room? Give your head a shake. Nobody gets ahead if you don't own money. There's no, or own real estate. There's no such thing as a rich renter. Look around the room. Look at the people you work with. Look at your friends, and you separate the ones that own homes from the ones that don't. And I guarantee you, the ones that own homes, they got fatter 401ks. They got fatter savings accounts. They got a better life for themselves. And then you look around the room and you go, he's a renter, she's a renter, they're a renter, and go, how much you got in your 401k? Not too much. I just started. How's your credit? Not so good, not so great. Now, you know what? It is a barometer that tells you how good you're doing. Be a homeowner. Nobody should be a renter on this planet. You're going to live on the planet Earth and be a renter. Let the Loan Arranger help you fix that. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. Let me help you get some down payment assistance if you need it. If you don't need it, great. You want a great mortgage? I'm one of the top mortgage producers in the entire nation. I did not get that way because I overcharge clients and my fees are high. No, I've got the best possible rates. I got the lowest possible closing costs. I close faster than any other lender. Our communication with our clients, our real estate agents and builders is second to none. And I keep and service almost all the loans I close. There's not many companies can say that. Matter of fact, I don't know too many. So you call the Loan Arranger directly. You got my direct number. That's not a call center, folks. That's my direct number. All right. So first-time home buyers, super good opportunity. You need my real estate referral program. That real estate referral program gets you up to 25% of the realtor's commission back in your pocket. I connect you with a real estate agent. They negotiate a whole bunch of closing costs paid by the seller. Then I get you some hometown heroes or down payment assistance if you need it. You combine all those benefits together. I mean, come on. You could practically get cash back at the closing. Now, you can't do that with Hometown Heroes, but you could if you didn't use Hometown Heroes. I can get you into programs that other lenders hadn't even thought about yet. Why? I've been doing this for 35 years. The game that I play is how to be the best I can in my industry. How can I make my clients happier? How can I get better reviews? How can I close more transactions? How can I help more people become homeowners? How can I help more people save money when it comes to refinancing? It's all part of what I do. You want help? You got my number. You got my website. You got everything you could possibly need. Now let's talk about you self-employed people, the heartbeat of America. You don't show any income on your tax returns. I don't care. Leave your taxes at home. I don't need them. I got a bank statement program. All I need are the last 12 months bank statements and some basic information, but I don't need your tax returns. Don't need your corporate tax returns. I don't need you to call your CPA and create a P&L and a balance sheet. Excuse me. I don't need any. I got the program. Now we talk about investors. Why are so many investors buying right now? Because they're smart. They don't take the business emotionally. They look at rate of return. And a lot of them aren't getting a positive rate of return on rental properties right now, but they're still buying. Why are they buying? Because they see that we're ready to turn a corner and you're going to start seeing values go up. Well, all you people that are waiting for interest rates to go down, you're dum-dums. You're a dum-dum. If you're a buyer and you're doing that, stop it. Give your head a shake. Okay. I don't mean you're a dumb dumb. I mean, you're thinking like a dumb dumb. Here's why. Think about this. When interest rates are higher, you look at yourself as a first time home buyer. Just say, I want to wait for rates to come down. I think the market's going to crash. Well, that's dumb because it's not going to crash. Now, rates will come down, but why shouldn't you wait for them? Because if, let's just say there's 1,000 people right now that want to go out and buy homes as first time home buyers, but only 200 of them are willing to jump in because the rest of them are going, rates are going to go down. I'm going to wait. Housing prices are going to come down. I'm going to wait. Housing prices aren't going to come down. They're already down, but rates will come down. So why shouldn't you wait? Because when you wait for that to happen, the other 800 people out of the 1,000 people that were sitting on the sideline now jump in. Now the sellers have multiple offers. Do you think sellers are going to pay your closing costs when they have multiple offers? Negative. Do you think sellers are going to fix the roof? Negative. You think sellers are going to fix the plumbing? Negative. You think the sellers are going to use a rate buy down to help you get into the house? Negative. They don't have to because they got 15 people lined up to buy the house. So you are now at a disadvantage because you waited. So don't be a dum-dum. Don't be a renter. And listen, I don't say that because you are a dum-dum. I'm saying it because you don't want to be a dum-dum. You pick up the phone and you call the loan arranger. Now, listen, sometimes I'm not as warm and fuzzy as people want me to be. But you know what I am? I am the person that you would hire to make sure you get the very best of the best. Now, listen, I love people. I never want to hurt somebody's feelings, but I am very direct when it comes to helping people get what they want. Pay attention. I'm going to guide you in the right direction. I'll never steer you wrong. I won't steer you wrong. I promise. Call my past clients, call my current clients. If I don't literally fight for you, fire me. Fire me. Go hire somebody that's better than me. If you think there is somebody out there, I can tell you one thing. I've never met them. I interview and hire loan officers every day. And I'm going to tell you something. Out of 100 of them that apply with me, maybe 2 of them I'd hire. That's it. Because they're terrible. And you're hiring them to do your mortgage because you're referred by your real estate agent. Or the builder says, if you don't use this guy, I won't pay your closing costs. Or you think you're going to go to the bank that's servicing your mortgage Come on, folks. That's not the way you do it. Hire the people that are truly going to get you the best of the best. That's me. 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. Or go to webringyouhome.com. Tampa Bay 813-213-4009. Self-employed people. Let's just give you an array of products and services that I can help you with. Even if you're not looking to buy or refinance, you can help me find people that are. Come on, folks. Help me find the people that we can change their lives. They don't have to rent anymore. You're never going to get ahead of the game. Renting, it ain't going to happen. So listen, I've got purchases, FHA, VA, USDA, jumbo, first-time home buyer, 3% down, FHA 3.5% down, 100% zero down payment FHA, zero down payment VA, zero down payment USDA, down payment assistance, reverse mortgages, construction to perm, one-time close, and I'll do VA, FHA, and conventional on them. Manufactured homes. You want a manufactured home? I can help you with that as well. Reverse mortgages, I think I already said that. Home equity line of credit, I can help you with that. Second mortgages, I can help you with that. Renovate your house, I can help you with that. You want to buy a home that looks, not so great, but you like the footprint, you like the neighborhood, I can do a purchase renovation. I can do a refinance renovation. I can help you with debt consolidation. I can help you with all kinds of different products. Self-employed people, no banks, no tax returns, bank statements only. I can help you with investors, DSCRs. All I use for income for you is the rent the property produces. I don't need your tax returns. I don't need all that stuff. I don't need it. Why? Because I got all in-house products and I service 90% of the loans that I close. So you want a portfolio loan? You want a doctor loan? I got 100% doctor loans with no PMI. Okay. I got everything you can think of right here in-house. And I don't advertise, and I'm still one of the top producers in the entire country. Why? Because I got folks like you that come to me and rely on me to make sure I take great care of you or your family. Isn't that ultimately what we want? Somebody in the business that we can count on. And don't hire your cousin as a real estate agent or the lady down the street. Please let me help you. It hurts me when I see you giving up money and I can't even tell you you're doing it because you hired your realtor, and I'm not going to get involved in that. Once you hire your realtor, I hope you like them, because I talked to a lady the other day. She loved her realtor. And then she called me up. She goes, Bruce, I don't think he's a great negotiator. I don't even really think he's thinking on my behalf. He's just trying to put the deal together. Well, that's what 99.9% of them do, because they don't know how to negotiate. And the seller said, no, we won't go any lower. No, we won't pay your closing costs. No, we won't do that. You know what the Lone Ranger says? Bump kiss. Let me show you how you get them to do it. So listen. The seller doesn't win, and you don't win if we don't put a deal. The realtors don't win if we don't put a deal together. Let me help you get the deal you're looking for. Let me help you connect you with a builder. Let me help you connect you with a realtor. Let me help you get a great mortgage. Let's discuss your options. Let's know what your options are. Don't you want somebody you can count on? That's who I'm applying for the job, folks. My name's Bruce Woodburn. I am the Lone Ranger. I lend in all 50 states. I service all my mortgages. I do everything in-house. I'm reachable. You can call me. I talk to clients every day. I talk to realtors and builders every day. By the way, if you're a builder, come on, man. You should be using my services. I got the best of the best of the best. I want to thank all of you. I'm blessed to have you. Thanks all that joined me on the K92.3 All-Star Jam on Sunday night. We had a blast. But I want you to know that you always have a friend right here in the business. And I don't say that. I mean it. You put me to the test. You come in and meet with me. I'll make sure that you and your family always have a trusted partner in the mortgage business. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. You want to lose some weight? You hear me talk about age rejuvenation? Call me. I'll get your first visit free. And I'm going to tell you something. You will not find another company that'll do a good job helping you lose that pudgy belly you've been carrying around. I can help you do it. I lost 77 pounds and I never stepped foot in the gym. I'll see you next week.